Hey everyone, it's Daniel at the Jefferson Telecom. Just making a quick little video today. We get a lot of calls about, hey, my TV's not working, I'm getting a no signal on my TV. The cable box is showing a green indicator saying it's on, but my TV's saying no signal. Most times the case is you're on the wrong input. So on your remote, you'll see right down here, change TV input. And when you hit that button, it's gonna look like this. So we're not going to be in the TV input, it's going to be one of the HDMI inputs because your cable box is talking to the TV. And the way that the TV is getting the signal from the cable box is through this HDMI cable. So when you're plugging it in the back of your TV, just remember which input you plugged in the HDMI. So right back here it says HDMI 3. So I'm going to plug that in. Says no signal, so I must be in the wrong input. So I'm going to hit source, and then remember I plugged in HDMI 3, so I'm going to come down here to HDMI 3, hit OK, and now we have TV again. If you have any questions, call us at 515-386-4141. Thank you.